Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be changing spark plugs on our Husqvarna Yard Tractor. Okay, now you don't have to do this, but I'm going to be removing the hood since I'm going to be filming each space. First I'm going to remember to unplug my lights. Now in this particular engine, our spark plug is going to be on each side. And what you're going to need is a 5/8 spark plug wrench. Mine has angles, you don't have to, but it's really handy. And it also comes with a rubber boot to stick in here to help you remove that last bit or to start. Now I just changed these, but I didn't film it. Push that up there. I'm keeping my hands just kind of guiding it so it doesn't wobble around. You screw those threads up, you're screwed. Now here is our part number, Briggs & Stratton 491055 Tango. Okay, now to replace it, get our new fresh spark plug. And by the way, these do come pre-gapped, but it's always a good idea to double check. You want to be very careful always threading in spark plugs. May take a while just to get it started because they're kind of at a weird angle. There we go. Okay, once you get started, it's easy. It should go nice and easy. See how easy that's spinning? If it fights you, that means you've probably cross-threaded. And some people like to put some anti-seize on the thread. However, I'm fresh out. Okay, and we're not killing the spark plug. Okay, we're just tightening it. And it's a good idea to also spray some brake cleaner in there, which I've already done. Pop it back on. Now do the other one. And now we're on the other side. And like I said, they do come pre-gapped. And now we're going to put it back in. And remember, it should go nice and easy in, just like now. And we're not over tightening. There we go. It's nice and tight. Put our plug back on. And we're all done. Okay, hopefully this video helped you out. And if you're interested in more yard tractor stuff, I've done reviews on those mud tires that I've installed. What else? Oil changes, lawnmower blades, or just general maintenance, as well as many other things. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, and also check out all my other videos. Thank you.